So nature knows the line in the sand like we do. It's easy to see. Here's a doe. It's been laying here while I did the trailer loading with Grace. And we'll just see where's her line in the sand here as we walk towards her. Come on, Gracie. Let's see. There's a change. You're upstaging the doe, darling. There's a line here somewhere. It's closer than it used to be. There it is. There's the line right there. Now, if we back off here and come this way, Grace really would like there. She can move. She doesn't have to hurry. Teaching her to be afraid, or teaching her she has choices here. I think that's a pretty good example right there. She doesn't have to leave, but she finds out she can. It's a beautiful example there. Nature right here in our front yard. She even go back to eating. All right, that'll do. Oop. Come on, Gracie, let's go home.